We have now filed a case seeking orders to compel the National Lands Commission and the Ministry of Lands to investigate, demarcate and erect beacons so as to identify parcels of lands which is located in Nyamira County in the following areas, which we believe are free or almost entirely located in Nyamira County. Karoka Town, that is in Rigoma Ward, part of Getare area in Kisii, which is in Kemera Ward, part of Jogo area in Kisii, the Kenya Agricultural Research Institute, Kisii, Kari, and number 5 is Agricultural Training Center, ATC, Kisii.
The Kyomakondo Primary School is in Kisii County, on the same land with Kyomakondo Secondary School. It's very unique. And we also have Kyomakondo ECD in Nyamira County, Kyomakondo Secondary in Nyamira County, on the same land with Kyomakondo Primary School. And the same parcel, we don't know whether it belongs to Nyamira or Kisii. But what we know from the old map, it belongs to Nyamira.